girl from a Nigerian prince said, I want 5 million, made perfect sense. Bob wrote his password on a bright yellow note, then taped it to his monitor. Now that's all she wrote. Jim clicked a link that said free TV today. Now the whole office can't log in anyway. The IT guy sighed, grabbed another cup of Joe, said, I've explained this like 1,000 times, you know. Don't click the sketchy link, don't be that guy. If it says urgent, maybe wonder why. Your password shouldn't be password 12v3 or your dog's name with an exclamation C. Hackers are laughing all the way to the bank while you're yelling, well, my computer just cranked. Cybersecurity ain't rocket science, friend. Just stop clicking everything they send. Susan swears she needs adding rights all day. I promise I won't break it, yeah, okay. Then she downloads super fast PDF Pro. Now ransomware says, thanks, we'll take your payroll. The boss says security costs too much, until the hackers clean out every buck. Now suddenly the budget's looking pretty sweet. Funny how that works after a total defeat. MFA's not there to ruin your life. It's cheaper than explaining this to your wife. Updates aren't a government conspiracy. They're just trying to stop another security misery. Don't be the office legend for the wrong dang reason. Cyber threats don't take a holiday season. Think before you click, take 2 seconds flat, or it's gonna have another heart attack. Save your files, save your pride. Keep the hackers on the outside. And if an email says, click here to get rich, delete that thing and scratch that itch. This song has been approved by every exhausted technician who's ever heard the words. I didn't click anything. Right before discovering they definitely clicked something.